go back on another great adventure. But today we're actually driving 2 hours and 55 minutes. Where are we going, Tiffany?
We're headed to Charlotte, North Carolina to Uber's Greenlight Hub because they have both of our Uber Eats accounts suspended for having multiple accounts because we were hacked.
Yeah. I tried to transfer my account from Pensacola back to Charleston, and my MVR, motor vehicle report, for those who don't know, came back. Everything was clear, and they were just like, oh, well, it takes a couple days. Oh, well, it takes a couple days. Well, 3 weeks later, and now I got to figure out what's going on. My Uber Eats account, they're like, oh, we don't know what's going on. You have to go to the Greenlight Hub. I said, hey, well, I live 3 or 4 hours away. And they're like, that's not my problem. So we are going to the Uber Greenlight, and hopefully our arrival time is for 2:15 if we don't stop. I went to the bathroom in the little boy's room before I left. Did you go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I've been waiting on you for 2.5 hours.
That's a lie. Anyhow, so we're on our way, and we'll update the video when we get there. Alright guys, so we are, where are we at here? Where are we at? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, it looks backwards. We're outside the hub at Uber, and well, I got my Eats account taken care of. The wife is going to have to wait for hers. I got my driver's account not taken care of. However, doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, but she said it should be 60 to 48 hours.
Yeah. So
That's not bad.
48 hours. But what did they tell you?
Somebody hacked my account and has been driving around Myrtle Beach pretending to be me. And it was very fraudulent.
Oh, it's fixed now.
Yes, they deleted them.
So now I do Uber and all this stuff for a living. So it was very necessary for me to come out here and drive all this way. But now I get the nice hike back to Charleston, where I think somewhere along the lines I'm going to stop at a German restaurant and have dinner. Mmm.
Schmiggle smag schmagger.
Schmickle schmuggle.
Yes.
So, again, we are at the Uber in Charleston.
It is so not what I pictured it in my mind to be. I thought it was going to be a bunch of cubicles with a bunch of foreign people.
Right, that's what I thought too.
And you have to take a number, and you're going to sit and wait for like 3 hours because there's no Uber hubs anywhere, and 1,000 people are going to be here. But no, there was one person behind one desk.
One person, one desk, one opportunity. Can you use Uber? But no, they were really cool. But yeah. So I'm satisfied with my Charleston Uber hub.
Charlotte.
That's what I said, Charlotte, North Carolina. So if anyone who's watching this, they want to know any kind of procedure, we didn't need anything. All we needed was our cell phones and our knowledge of our accounts. So as long as you have your passwords and
they're open from 10 to 6, Monday through Friday.
They're not
no weekends.
No weekends. So for all you Charleston people who have to drive out here, no weekend trips. Unless you're having a party weekend and coming down here on, Monday. But with that said, yeah, I think that's it. Is that it?
That's it.
That's it. All right, say bye, Tiffany.
Bye.
Oh, God, we fell. Say bye, Tiffany.
Bye.
Bye-bye.